Hello and welcome to our channel. Nestled on the picturesque Isle of Wight, we had the pleasure of staying at an incredible dog-friendly Airbnb called Squirrel Batch that felt like a home away from home. The charming cottage was surrounded by lush greenery, making it a serene retreat for both us and our furry friend. Plenty of seating outside along with a barbecue and fire pit perfect for keeping warm and roasting marshmallows. Upon arrival, you have your own private secure parking area and a walk through the garden to the front of the cottage. We were greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere. The spacious living area featured cozy furnishings and a fireplace, perfect for snuggling up after a day of adventure. Large windows flooded the space with natural light, and our dogs loved exploring the ample indoor space, complete with pet-friendly decor. The fully equipped kitchen allowed us to prepare meals, while the serving hatch made it easier to talk, and the dining area opened up to a lovely garden. This outdoor space was a haven for our dog, with plenty of room to run and play, plus a secure fence for peace of mind. One of the best aspects of this Airbnb was its proximity to dog-friendly beaches and scenic walking trails. We spent our days exploring the island's breathtaking coastline and picturesque countryside, knowing our dogs were welcome everywhere we went. The hosts provided an array of amenities for our dogs, including bowls, a bed, and even a list of local dog-friendly attractions. In the evenings, we relaxed on the patio, sipping drinks while our dogs lounged at our feet, and playing in the garden or basking in the tranquil surroundings. This stay was not just a getaway, it was a delightful experience in an idyllic setting. We can't recommend this dog-friendly Airbnb on the Isle of Wight enough for fellow pet lovers looking for the perfect escape.